Well, I just finished watching the sunrise, and now we're heading down from the Watchman Tower, and then it's 9 miles of alternate, I think, left to Highway 209, where there's a water cache, and it matches back up with the official PCT. But yeah, I got to hang out with a Slip and Slide and 50 Cent, and met a couple of solo hikers. Sorry if I'm super sniffly. It's very windy today and cold this morning, but it's supposed to warm up to close to 90 degrees, which I am super excited about. We're actually going into a heat wave advisory, and everybody else is like, I don't like that. And me, I'm just like, yes, please, more heat, all the heat. But as you all know, I'm constantly cold, for the most part, unless it's like middle of the day kind of thing. So yeah, just gonna do my thing. So what I really like about walking around the rest of the part of the rim is, like, you can see the volcano cone on the island at the top here. So yeah, that's kind of neat. It's like a lot more well defined. You can see it a lot better on this side. And you still got the sun. And that's the tower we took pictures from is all the way up there. Good morning. It is August 14th. We have started our hike. We're just a little bit away from the water cache at Highway 138, I believe. We're gonna try for 23 today. We did get out of camp at like 6 something, so it's gonna be a little iffy if we can get there in time before, 7, 8 o'clock. But yeah, we're gonna try going uphill for 5 miles, and then I'm not sure what it is after that. But what I do know is after the spring and 7 miles, it's a 22 water carry. If you don't want really stagnant, mosquito-infected water, like that's halfway through there, and I don't. So, yeah. So dry camping tonight, and anyways, I'm gonna get hiking. So we got Mount Thielsen right there. It's kind of neat. It's like really jagged and stuff, and you can see where all the like rock has avalanched down over time. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So today, off and on, I've been trying to avoid these little things. If you can see that little green dot, I'll put an arrow by it. It's little inchworms that have fallen, and they're just hanging, waiting for someone to come pick them up on their backpack or whatever.
I'm really liking Thielsen Mountain a little bit. It's like a different type of alpine environment. And it's got these white flower things like that. And then there's a similar plant. I don't see it right now, but I took pictures of it earlier. It's a similar plant, but it has little purple flowers. So that's cool. And then you got all these kinds of pine trees, which is neat. I know, it's like, I don't know if this is a micro ecosystem or not for this mountain, but this like definitely is like not high Sierra alpine environment. I don't know how to describe it. It's like vastly different to me right now. But I could be totally wrong. It's just really neat and beautiful. So this is kind of neat too. You can see kind of like part of the underside of the mountain. And I like how you can see the stripy rocks. That's neat. So there's this giant mushroom growth thing on this tree. This is by far one of the prettiest places I've ever had lunch. It is so stunning. You guys have no idea. Oh, I think a lot of Washington can be like this too, so I'm kind of excited now to do Washington. So I've made it to the highest point for Oregon, Washington. Woot woot. We're kind of in a desert area, but I'm gonna take a little sit down break.